head over to your website and you can see that this is not arranged properly. Okay, so for you to arrange this, you need to work with what is known as the navigation or creating the menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the WordPress dashboard and then go to appearance. So depending on the theme that you are using, I'm going to show you two options. You go to appearance and it's either you go to themes or you go to editor. So I'm just going to click on editor. Once I click on editor, it's going to give me some options because it is taking me to the edit of the website. Okay, so if I click there, I'll be able to edit. So I'm going to go to navigation. Once I go to navigation, as you can see, this is the navigation that I need to work on. So what I can do is I can move and then there's a pop-up here that says this navigation display on the website pages, edit it, enable delete pages. However, new pages will no longer be automatically edited. I'll say edit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to move this. I need to move this up. Okay, so once I move that up, this is actually changed. Home now is here, about us here is here. That's the order that I want. And I want to show you a little bit of a trick that if I click on options, there's move up, go to block, remove, or move up and down. So there's another option. If you move your mouse over here, you can actually click on that and then add. So I want to show you a little bit of a trick that a lot of people use when you move your mouse over here and then you want to see a drop down arrow, okay, or a drop down menu. So it's a matter of just checking this and then try and see, can I indent this? See, I've actually dragged it and then placed it over the home. I'm going to do that with the same with the blog. I'm just going to move it there. And then once I have that, you're going to see that there is an arrow that comes up. If I click here, let me just go to the website. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Okay, I'm just going to hit save. I'm just going to hit save. And then if I go to the website, I refresh, you will notice that there is an arrow that comes. Okay, if I move my mouse here, I can then now click here. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I need to redo this. I need to make sure that I remove this. Okay, and I just need to rearrange this. Contact us. Okay, I would say move down, and then about us is the one that's inside here, so I need to remove that. I don't know what's happening here, but you just need to move off. You just need to play around with these guys. Okay, now it's done. So we have got home, blog, contact us, and then the order is not in order. So I need contact us to be last. Okay, and then I need blog to be here. Okay, that's it. And then this has been automatically changed, I think. And then I'm just going to go back. And then how do I save this? Okay, I'm just going to go back to the dashboard. I'll just say leave. This has actually been saved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the theme for my website, and then you're going to notice that the layout is actually going to change as well. So let me just go ahead and click on themes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a different theme. Okay, I'm going to add a different theme, and I'm going to add Astra. Okay, I'm just going to add this one, and then I'm just going to click install. I'll remove it actually after this lesson, and then I'm just going to click on activate. Once I click on activate, this theme is now activated, and then if I refresh my website, as you can see, now the website is actually having a different layout altogether because of the theme that I've just selected. Now, in terms of working on the menu, okay, you just go to appearance, and then that time we clicked on editor. This time we're not clicking on editor, we're clicking on menus. Okay, on this lesson I'm just telling you how to work on different menu. Okay, So the first thing that I need to do is to create menu. I'm going to call this main menu, right? And then I click on create. Once I click on create, I'm going to select these pages and then I'm going to say add to menu. Okay. If I click add to menu, I'll be able to see this in this order. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save. And I have blog, contact us, about us, and home. Now if I refresh, I need to see if that is going to appear. This is not appearing here because we haven't selected the menu. Okay. What we're going to do is we are going to go on customize. Okay. So what I need to do first of all again is to rearrange this. Remember on the navigation that time I was actually rearranging this. So I can actually move that up and then I can say about us and then blog, contact us, and then I hit save. Okay. And this is going to be the main menu, and then here at the bottom I can also select to say this is actually the primary menu. Okay. And let me save that. Again, if I refresh here, nothing is going to, okay, something has actually happened. It's simply because I've selected that to say this is actually the primary menu. That's why it's actually showing up here. And then if you need to create a footer menu, you just go ahead and create a new menu. Okay. And then click on footer menu and then you click on create. And probably you just want your footer menu to have homepage and about us. You just click on that and then you add these menus and then you click on menu footer. And then you're actually done. I haven't added the footer yet. Let's see if it appears here. Okay, nothing is appearing there. That means you need to customize. So these are the different options that you get when you use a different theme altogether. So in this case, I've got two menus and then I have main menu and footer menu. So this actually works if maybe you have a membership website where you create a menu for the people that are not logged in and then you create another menu for the people that are logged in. Okay, let's say you want these people to see different things. Now I'm going to go back to the main menu. I want to add something that is really cool that you can add on here. So what I'm going to do is let's say I need to add a link. When people click on it, they go to another website. Okay, so if I come here, I'm going to go here to where it says custom links. If I say custom links, I can say here custom link text. I'm going to say FB, Facebook, right? And then I'm going to say HTTPS, or let me just say YouTube, YT, YouTube, YT, and then HTTPS :youtube.com. And then I'm going to click on add to menu. Okay, and then I have YT there, and then it's a custom link. If I click save, this is actually the primary menu. If I go ahead and refresh my website, you're going to see that the YT is actually there, and if I click on it, it will take me away from my website and then it will go to YouTube. That's basically how you work with menus. As you can see, my YouTube is taking time to load, but that's the YouTube there. And one thing that I need you to take note of is that when you added this theme, Astra theme, as you can see, it is actually added a menu on the WordPress dashboard that you can use to also customize. So with that said, we are going to uninstall. We are going to go back to our original theme. You know, there's going to be back and forth. I want you to learn how this works, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate this theme that we have been using. And if I go back to our website, I need to see what it looks like now. And we still have these that we had actually said that time. So you can play around with the navigation and then save, and that's how basically you work with menus. And I can't wait to see what you have done. Do let us know if you have any questions within our community, and Thank you so much for watching, and bye.